Modern cottage landscaping ideas for a natural, romantic garden style. When it comes to creating a captivating outdoor space, modern cottage landscaping offers a unique blend of charm and elegance. Infused with elements of a natural garden design, this approach harmonizes beautifully with the surrounding environment, making it perfect for those who appreciate the serene of cottage life. Here are some inspired garden ideas to help you cultivate a romantic garden style that resonates with cottage aesthetics. Embrace lush greenery. A key feature of modern cottage landscaping is the abundance of lush greenery. Incorporating a variety of plants, from low-maintenance shrubs to towering perennials, can create a vibrant tapestry of foliage. Opt for native plants that thrive in your region, ensuring sustainability while enhancing the natural beauty of your garden. The interplay of different shades of green can form a tranquil backdrop for any charming outdoor space. Incorporate floral accents. To evoke a romantic garden style, consider adding floral accents throughout your landscape. Choose a diverse array of flowers that bloom at different times of the year for continuous color and fragrance. Think of climbing roses draping over trellises, lavender borders that provide both beauty and scent, and daisies that create a carefree, rustic atmosphere. These elements will not only enhance the visual appeal but will also attract pollinators, enriching your garden's ecosystem. Design rustic pathways. Creating rustic pathways can greatly enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your garden. Use natural materials like stone, gravel, or reclaimed wood to craft meandering paths that invite exploration. These pathways can guide visitors through your garden, offering intimate glimpses of the greenery and floral accents along the way. A well-designed pathway can serve as a striking feature that adds depth and character to your modern cottage landscaping. Feature thoughtful outdoor spaces. Incorporate specific outdoor features that encourage relaxation and enjoyment of your garden. Consider installing a quaint gazebo or a cozy seating area adorned with cushions and throws, perfect for unwinding with a book or enjoying morning coffee. Adding a fire pit surrounded by natural stone seating can create an inviting atmosphere for gatherings. These features will transform your garden into a charming outdoor space, ideal for entertaining or simply enjoying nature's beauty. Personalize with unique garden features. Finally, personalize your landscaping with unique garden features that reflect your style and personality. This could include whimsical sculptures, decorative birdhouses, or even a small pond that adds a sense of tranquility. Incorporating these elements not only enhances the romantic garden style, but also makes your outdoor space truly one of a kind. Such features can serve as focal points, drawing the eye and sparking conversation among guests. Modern cottage landscaping presents an excellent opportunity to create a natural, romantic garden style that is both charming and functional. By focusing on lush greenery, floral accents, rustic pathways, thoughtful outdoor spaces, and personalized garden features, you can design an enchanting garden that embodies the essence of cottage aesthetics while providing a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.